Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to use the fill handle tool, how to use the fill handle tool to continue on a pattern, what the meaning of relative referencing is, and how to use relative referencing. As you can see, this is a selector cell on the spreadsheet, and this box in the corner is the fill handle toolbox. In this diagram, the cursor shown is when you hover your cursor over the fill handle toolbox. Examples. As you can see from my first example, I've written two numbers and I want to carry on the pattern. So what I should do is I should select the two numbers, find the fill handle toolbox, hover my cursor over it, making sure I have the right cursor, and drag it along into the next boxes. As you can see, it has carried on the pattern from 1 to 7. If you wanted to do another pattern, let's say the days of the week, you could write any 2 days of the week, as I have done here, and what you would do the same thing. Select the 2 days, find the fill handle toolbox, and drag it into the boxes. As you can see, it has successfully carried on the pattern. 10 times table. To create the 10 times table, I wrote 4 numbers. These 4 numbers make 3 patterns. The first pattern is this: 1, 2, which will go on to 1 to 10, and the same thing down here, 1, 2, which will go from 1 to 10. The third pattern is that 2 times 2 makes 4. That's the third pattern. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all 4 numbers and use the fill handle toolbox and drag it down. As you can see, it has copied 2 of the patterns. Now, while the numbers are all selected, I can find the fill handle toolbox again and drag it down. This has copied all 3 patterns, making the 10 times table. Definition of relative referencing. In a spreadsheet, a cell with a relative reference changes its formula when copied elsewhere. Either the cell's letter or number is altered when the formula is copied elsewhere. So, uses of relative referencing. I have 2 columns of numbers here I want to add together. So I'm going to use AutoSum to do the first one. So step 1, select the box where you want your answer to be. I want my answer to be in this box. Find and press the formula tab at the top of the spreadsheet. So here's the formula tab, so I'm going to press it. Find the AutoSum icon and click the arrow. So this is the AutoSum icon and I'm going to select the arrow. Select the option sum. It will then ask you which 2 boxes you want to add together. Press on the 2 boxes you want to add together. Sometimes it will do it automatically, like it has done here. But if it doesn't, what you can do is you can select the box you want, do the operation you want. In this case, it's addition, and then select the other box. And then press enter and your answer will appear. So I'm going to press enter and my answer is there. Now, instead of using AutoSum for every single answer, what I can do is I can use relative referencing by using the fill handle toolbox. So, as I've done before, I'm going to select the fill handle toolbox and drag it into the other boxes. As you can see, it has added all these numbers successfully. Now, we're going to look at the formulas in these boxes. So, if we see the formulas, these are the formulas. Here it was A1 plus B1. Here is A2 plus B2, A3 plus B3, etc. As you can see, the cell's number has changed. The formula changed, but only the cell's number has changed when we did it this way. Now let's say if we wanted to do it again, but we'll do it down here this time. So we've written the numbers the same, just like before. For my first one, I'll use this, so I'll go formulas, AutoSum, sum. They're already selected, so I can just press enter, and then I will drag it along. As you can see, it's done it as well. But now let's look at the formulas in this one. So if you just change the, as you can see for this one, this formula is J18 plus J19. This one is K18 plus K19, and this one is L18 plus L19. When we used the fill handle toolbox in this way, the cell number wasn't changed, it was the cell letter. Thank you for listening.